Penang, this island city in northwest Malaysia, famous for its street food, is a place where East meets West. Victor and our team at Tattle are here to go a little deeper to figure out how the locals make such good food. Samuel has been a chef in Penang's finest hotels for the last 10 years, so he can tell us all the secrets of making an exceptional Malaysian meal. Step 1, we need to go to the bazaar to find the freshest ingredients.
Hi.
Hey, nice
I'm
to meet
Samuel.
you. I'm Victor.
So today we will go to buy some stuff. Yeah.
Wow,
So
okay.
are you ready for that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, come, let's go.
All right, let's go.
At daybreak, Samuel brought us to a bazaar in the neighborhood of Ayer Itang, just west of the main city Georgetown, not far from the iconic Kek Lok Si temple. As we walked down the aisles, whether it was veggies, chicken, or spices, Samuel showed us exactly what to get.
Do you grow this yourself?
你自己种的对吗？
哇，好厉害！
Samuel comes here often enough to have good relations with specific vendors.
安哥，你好，今天没有买鱼。安迪椰浆2块，椰10块半。你知道我了，你拿多少我就拿多少了。
这样的啊，你要看一下。
So now our mission is done.
All right.
Okay, double check. Okay, let's go that direction.
One of Samuel's rules is never cook when you're hungry. So after buying the ingredients, we went for breakfast at a local cafe. Once we'd had our fill of toast and coffee, then we'd be ready for Chef Samuel to begin his cooking class.
所以现在我们是时候工作咯。好，走吧。
行好。
Welcome to my home.
Thanks.
And then let's start.
Samuel laid out the recipes and introduced the ingredients one by one, showing us where to find them among the stacks of ingredients in his kitchen. It didn't take long for Victor to get the hang of it.
This one you have to roast it, this one you have to soften, and then you have to peel the garlic and shallots.
Okay.
Garlic and shallots are just two of the many ingredients we blended together in Chef Samuel's chicken rendang recipe, a classic Southeast Asian dish where you stew meat with coconut milk and spices. Samuel also showed us how to make that signature item from Malaysian street food stalls, Roti Canai, from kneading and flattening the dough to making the curry dip. As an introvert, Samuel told us cooking is his main way of expressing himself, and watching his attention to detail and careful choice of ingredients, we could clearly feel his passion and dedication to his craft.
Cooking is fun.
I don't know. Cooking has always been stressful for me.
Well, it's fun. It's really fun.
After 3 hours of hard work, our Malaysian meal was ready to enjoy.
All right. So at first, when I started, I was really stressed. So I learned that actually cooking can be quite calming.
Yeah.
So I calmed down a little bit. It was more playful.
If
Wow.
If it feels spicy, can a little bit of eggs. Yep.
That's amazing.
Today, we didn't just get a cooking class and a delicious meal. We saw a master pour his love and sweat into perfecting his craft. With people like Chef Samuel, no wonder Penang food is so amazing. If you'd like more fascinating tales of people and places in Malaysia, click on our logo at the bottom right to subscribe. Next week, we're going to show you where to find the most beautiful sunset. Thanks for watching.